So I just wanted to make this wee video. I wanted to make a wee video on this question of what is nature coaching or nature healing. And it very much depends on your intention when you go out into nature. So you would basically go out with the question and then find the things that you're naturally attracted to. You might not know why you're attracted to them, and what causes your attraction. Like, for instance, I've arrived here at this dead tree. See, it's been dead for quite a while, quite badly corroded, but you can see from the bark on it that it's actually a beech tree. So the question is, why did I come here and use this as an example? Well, something I've been struggling with in my life is this relationship to healing structure. And part of structure is healing God of structure is this Saturn quality. And beech is very much ruled by Saturn. So it would be my relationship to this healing quality of structure in relationship to Saturn. And as you know, Saturn's depicted as the Grim Reaper, so he's very much connected with a death force, so it's very much kind of foundational qualities of life, which is death, which is like the unconscious, because that's what death is this relationship to the unconsciousness. So so that's why I'm sitting here, and that's really what the essence of nature coaching is about. It's about working with nature in such a way that it brings you these healing messages in this kind of really creative artistic forms, like the beech tree, and how you can get right, how you can reset the balances in your life and connect with the right balances instead of going about with that lack of self-knowledge and the wrong balance in life. So I just wanted to leave you with that bit of inspired thought about nature coaching, and then children can emerge from the compost forces.